Hey, how you doing today? It's Ron here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm just at Port Alberni here, and we're gonna go to this donut shop down here in the Harbor Key. It says the best donuts on Vancouver Island. They're like $1 a piece. They're amazing donuts if you've ever tried them. So yeah, here we go. I'll walk on in here. I'll flip the camera around. Best donuts on Vancouver Island. It's a cool little place. Walking on in. Open daily. Best donuts on Vancouver Island. Well, let's go check it out. Open daily, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. $1.50 each up there. Half dozen is $9. Dozen is $6.50. You get coffee, tea, large coffee. Cool collages on the wall. Chocolate Smarties. Chocolate sprinkles. Hi, how are you? I'll get a half dozen. I will get chocolate Smarties. Yeah, and I'll get chocolate sprinkles.
Chocolate sprinkles are rainbow or half and half?
Half and half. And maple bacon. And maple walnut. Maple sprinkles. How many is that? And what else you got here? Chocolate coconut. And do you have debit? Yeah, sure. So I'm in the bathroom of the donut shop. And I like a lot of stuff in there. It's almost really sticky. You know, like here my feet. It's like stick it to the floor. Yeah. It's real small and closed in. Lots of stuff. Well, I guess it is a small little Look at this. Oh, alright. Who's sprinkled on the floor? This is a joke. There's all this stuff in here. Wow. I like the sticky floor. Maybe it's donuts. You want a donut? Have a donut. From the donut shop in Port Alberni. Which one are you gonna have? Ooh. Pigeon. That's the chocolate Smartie one. Not as big as your palm. So good.